Animals are everywhere around us, sharing this planet in ways that are sometimes obvious and sometimes easy to forget, yet each one has its own story, personality, and role in the world, much like humans do. When we think of animals, we often imagine lions roaring on open plains, elephants slowly walking together in family groups, or birds flying freely across the sky, but there is so much more happening beneath the surface. Lions, often called the kings of the jungle, aren't just powerful hunters. They're also family-oriented, relying on teamwork, trust, and communication to survive, showing us that strength doesn't always mean standing alone. Elephants, with their calm presence and gentle movements, are known to remember faces, places, and even emotions, and they comfort one another during difficult moments, reminding us how important connection and care really are. In the oceans, dolphins glide through the water with playful energy, almost as if they're enjoying life for the sake of joy itself, laughing through clicks and whistles while working together to protect their group and find food. Whales sing songs that travel for miles beneath the waves, songs that scientists believe carry meaning, emotion, and memory, making the ocean feel alive with voices we are only beginning to understand. Birds add rhythm to the sky and sound to our mornings, from eagles soaring high with quiet confidence to tiny sparrows hopping along the ground with endless curiosity, each one adapting perfectly to its environment. Penguins, unable to fly, turned what could have been a weakness into strength by becoming expert swimmers, teaching us that success doesn't always look the way we expect it to. Reptiles like snakes and lizards often get a bad reputation, but they are patient, efficient survivors that have lived on Earth far longer than humans, quietly maintaining balance in ecosystems by controlling populations and adapting to harsh environments. Frogs and other amphibians live double lives between land and water, sensitive to changes in their surroundings, acting as nature's warning system when something isn't right. Insects, though small enough to overlook, may be the hardest workers of all, with bees tirelessly pollinating plants that feed the world, ants building complex underground cities, and butterflies turning transformation into something beautiful and meaningful. Some animals, like pandas and sloths, move slowly and live peacefully, reminding us that rest and simplicity are not signs of weakness but part of a balanced life, while others, like cheetahs, live fast and intense, depending on short moments of speed and focus to survive. Nighttime belongs to creatures like owls and bats, who quietly keep ecosystems healthy while the rest of the world sleeps, proving that every role matters, even the unseen ones. Animals communicate in ways that feel surprisingly familiar, whether it's wolves howling to keep their families connected, dogs wagging their tails to show excitement, or primates using tools and expressions that reflect intelligence and emotion close to our own. Many animals feel happiness, fear, grief, and love, forming bonds that last a lifetime, protecting their young, and sometimes even helping humans without expecting anything in return. Despite how strong and adaptable animals are, many of them are struggling today due to habitat loss, pollution, and climate change, challenges created largely by human activity, which makes our responsibility toward them even more important. When animals disappear, ecosystems weaken, and the natural balance that supports life begins to fall apart. Learning about animals isn't just about facts. It's about understanding that we share this planet with millions of living beings, each one connected to the next in ways we can't always see. Animals inspire us to be curious, patient, brave, and kind, showing us different ways to live, survive, and coexist. By respecting wildlife and protecting nature, we're not just saving animals, we're protecting the future of the planet and ourselves, because in the end, humans are part of the animal world too, sharing the same earth, the same air, and the same responsibility to care for the life around us.